I like to do a lot of scaffolding. At the beginning of the year, or when I first meet a group, I generally focus on pair work. Then I try to put two pairs together, so they're already working in small groups of 4. Later on, I can introduce groups of 3, 5, 6, and I'm also quite specific on the instructions. I try to give very clear instructions. I want all learners to have accountability for their group work, so they have to know that at the end of the activity, there will be some kind of follow-up or wrap-up. I think it's also important to assign roles, but that depends on the age of the learners and also on the characteristics of the subject or the language level.
The pair work, because it encourages students to use English. I often organize pair work for them because it's not so embarrassing for them because I'm not there. I mean, I'm there but I'm in the background, so there is no pressure on them and they can use English quite freely.
We've been thinking about that, all the groups of teachers, and we decided to use the cooperative learning and 2 different special plans to improve the understanding when they are reading and when they are solving different problems. We have a new distribution in the class. They are sitting down in groups of 4 and they have different roles. There is a supervisor, there is a coordinator, there is a speaker, and I don't remember the other, the environment. The atmosphere in the class is it's completely different. And they feel more comfortable, more confident, and they can use usually the help of the partner, and if they can solve the problem, they use the help of the group, and if they can't, they come to us to ask for help.
Starting off with pair work or with small group work is really important to make it easier for our learners to work effectively. It's very hard to just say, do group work. When it's structured and when there's more accountability, we're actually making it much easier for our learners to know what is expected of them and how to do it.
And one other point, I think, with the increased use of iPads and internet, again, the timing is really important because some learners will find material information very quickly and others will take much longer because it's in another language. So I think to give time constraints is quite important.